Welcome back. I'm here again with another PS Luxe hair package today, guys. I'm so excited to go ahead and get inside, but I'm just so obsessed with my PS Luxe packaging. Always so sleek and just, you know, just has that chic thing about it. So, you know, once you open the box, there's the drawstring bag inside with, you know, the hair, which we're gonna get into. So I have my PS Luxe elastic headband. You know, there are other few goodies in there, but I went ahead and I got straight to the hair. So today I have premium 100% raw Vietnamese bundles. Okay, this is what I'm showing you guys here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the quality on this is just like, it's just super noticeable. It's different from a virgin hair texture, and this is because it's extremely sleek. This is the bone texture that I am showing you guys, bone straight texture that I'm showing you guys, and it's 100% natural, by the way. All right, it's unprocessed hair from a single donor. All right, ensuring the highest quality, and you know, it shows. This is actually the finest quality of hair in the world, by the way, if you guys didn't know. So I have I have three 30-inch bundles and a 22-inch, so that's a shorter one, and they're so full and sleek. Okay, I also have a frontal to top it off, and these are what we're going to use today to make the wig. I have some thread, I have a needle, and I have a wig cap. All right, but yeah, so this is how it looks once I go ahead and put it on the mannequin head. All right, you just want to make sure that you lay that down properly, and I really like the layout of this wig cap. I just got this at a regular beauty supply store, by the way. All right, I was securing it to the head. What you want to ensure is when you're making a wig is that you lay your frontal or your closure first. You want to ensure that the back portion, like I'm showing you guys here, is laid flat. There are no lumps or anything, guys. If you proceed with any lumps or fold in like the back portion there, your wig will not turn out well. Like, it will not lay flat, it will be a hot mess. So just ensure that you lay it flat like you see me doing here, ensuring that like you tug on it. So don't stretch it too much, but just ensure it's flat so that you eliminate the chances of any form of lumpiness in it. So I go ahead and get my threaded needle, and I just do the looping method with sewing this onto the cap. Also, with the very edge of the cap, you do not want to sew through the elastic, because you know the edge of these caps stretch, you know, and if you sew through the elastic, like, you will limit the stretch. So I just sew through the first layer. So I just continue doing that same motion. I just keep on sewing it right across, and as I sew it across, I ensure that I'm flattening it out as I go along. All right, so yeah, by the way, on the PS Luxe website, it's bundles that are currently available. I'm gonna put all the information down below so you guys can go ahead and check it. But this category of hair, guys, is truly like the best. It makes you feel like super premium when you know, install some hair like this. Feel free to go ahead and make clip-ins with these bundles. You can go ahead and do your sewings. I don't do sewing, so that's the reason why I'm actually making a wig, because this wig is actually going to be my birthday wig. But I was showing you guys how flat the frontal was laying, and I was finished sewing it down, so I then proceeded to, you know, remove the extra lace. I get this type of feeling you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, only want your love if it's silent. But if it fuck me, then fuck you. So I'm gonna start off with a 30 inch, and I'm showing you guys that there. And as I told you, you want to just put the needle through the first layer of the cap there, not all the way through the band of the cap, because you will limit the stretchiness of the cap. And you just take your time and you start sewing that for the first couple loops. Whenever I secure the weft, I go through the weft, but for the most part I go around it because I want to minimize shedding. That's the next thing I need to touch on with these bundles. They do not shed much. All right, they shed minimal. Every hair sheds, but very, very minimal. It doesn't tangle a lot. It's extremely long lasting. This can last you 5 to 8 years depending on how well you care for it. So guys, please, because I know some people will just hear the 5 to 8 years and not really hear the with proper care part. So you need to ensure that you're caring for the hair properly. Okay, I'm doing the fold over method, by the way, with making this wig. I do not cut my wefts. Bundles like this, you don't want to just be chopping them up unless you got it like that. Unless you don't really care, then by all means go ahead, do so. But if you want to preserve your bundles and have them last you a long time, yeah. And I managed to get this wig really, really, really flat. Like, it was not lumpy, it was not big and bumpy, and I just love how easy it was for me to work with these bundles. All right, okay, you could feel free, if you want to go ahead, you can color these bundles, you can bleach it, you can style it with heat, of course. The possibilities are really endless. All right, so I absolutely love that, and it has this softness to it. You can just tell it's really, it feels like, it really feels like hair coming directly from your scalp. You know, like with virgin hair, you know that it's really more than one donor. It's not just a single donor with virgin hair. With raw hair, it is a single donor, and all the cuticles are aligned. All right, also the maintenance of this texture is quite easy, and everything is listed thoroughly on PS Luxe's website. So you guys, as I said, the website is down below, the link is down there as well. You can go down there, go ahead, order you some of these. Me personally, as I said before, I was making this wig here for my birthday, and I did wear it. So I'm gonna drop that vlog link down below so you guys can see how it turned out, because I did dye this jet black. I actually did. I didn't do it in this video, but I did show a bit of it in a vlog, and I did dye it jet black, and it is, oh gosh, you guys know I love a jet black hair, right? Yeah, so that's what I did. But I did rock it in its natural 1B color after making it this day, and it was just stunning. So if you don't want to color it, fine, you go ahead and rock it just like this. And this was what all 3 bundles were sewn on here, all 3 bundles of the 30 inch, and just that bit was left at the top. So I went in with my last bundle, and I only needed a little bit from it, and that it created this layered vibe. So if you don't want that, then you could go ahead and get like all bundles more like of the same length. I didn't mind the little layer vibe, but you know, if you don't want that, then you go ahead and get all your bundles with the same length. So this is pretty much how I close it up. It really wasn't much to it. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I got it really flat at the top because I didn't bring the wefts too close to each other. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a little bit of space there. It wasn't too much though, because it's definitely not noticeable. And that was it for my wig. I did add a comb in the back just for security when I go ahead and slip it on. But people were saying that they wanted PS Luxe to carry bundles and stuff, so PS Luxe finally is carrying bundles. And you know, they got premium virgin hair lace front wigs at the moment. PS Luxe also recently launched their lace line, so they got their own glue, all that good stuff. It's amazing, guys, it's amazing. Pretty much I go ahead and apply the wig here. If you guys want to see you guys know I'm always showing you guys how to apply a wig, but I'm definitely gonna come back and show you guys a detailed video of those products, because those are the products I used to install today's wig. The glue is waterproof, the melting spray is gorgeous. Listen, man, I could go on and on about them, so I'm gonna have to give you guys another video.
Oh, you know my body, oh, you know that's me. Some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I give you this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I need a piece if it weren't for you.
You want star quality hair? This is it. Like, PS Luxe Hair provides the best quality for each category possible. You know, like, yo, it's just amazing. If you're looking for star quality hair, this is it. Like, the hair is no joke. Like, so full. You're not seeing through it. It's not frizzy. No frizz. Like, super full. Super full. Like, it's very flat. Like, these bundles, 10, 20 out of 10. Like, what? Right now I'm about to go take some pictures in these, and I feel so good. I feel so good. You put these bundles in like for one of your best looks, your best occasion, you know, the most important occasion. That's when you pull out these bundles, okay? And if you wanna do that every day, you can do that. Like, if you want to go ahead and just rock this every day, fine. But this hair is premium hair. That's what I need you guys to know. The fact that it is very, very little shedding. Very little shedding. I'm not even getting no shedding right now. Very little. Yeah, man. This hair is no joke. None. And it looks so natural. Like, I can't believe after not making a wig for so long, I really nailed this. I don't know, should I provide my services? I don't know, because I'm gonna be making some more wigs for myself. Y'all let me know down in the comments, because guys need to go ahead. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be stuff here. Yo guys, when I tell you this is my birthday here, you know, this is my birthday here right now. I tell you no lies, believe me. Like, the finest quality, the absolute finest quality of hair. I'm so excited. I am so excited to bring you guys this. It is too good. Too good. Like, yeah, man, you're getting married now. You're getting married, you know, it's special occasion, any very big occasion, this is the hair that you need. Remember, I know I went ahead and made my wig and everything, but you could go ahead and use this hair, do your sew-ins, all that good stuff. You know, you could go ahead and do that. You know, I know PS Luxe is definitely coming with even more options soon, but for right now, yeah, they got their premium quality section going, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my gosh, let me know what you guys think, because this is a solid 20 out of 10. Check down below if you want to go ahead and order these bundles for yourself or for somebody else. Also, psluxehair.com, they have gift cards available. Go ahead, check out the website. But yeah guys, that's it for today's hair look. You know, let me know what you think. Drop your comments down below, let me know, let's talk about it. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.